Hey, it's KrepsyK, and today we're doing a temporary fix on a muffler piece. So for some folks, your catalytic converter may be separate from your muffler. When you put it all together on those little brackets here, little rubber floating brackets, you might have noticed, oh there it is, you might have noticed that it's come apart. It makes a terrible sound, and it's awful. So what we're going to do is a temporary home patch with some items that you may have lying around at home. Here are some things that you might have lying around at home. Hose clamps, ring clamps, I'm sure you can find it if you look up the right word, a slotted or flathead screwdriver, and whatever size wrench works for you. I'm trying not to show a brand here. There you go. This looks like a 5/16, which fits that little guy right there, or a slotted. It depends on whether or not you have throw, like wrench throw. Tiger patch if you have it. If you don't, well, it's a temporary fix and you can limp it wherever you're going. And an aluminum can, 32-ounce sized aluminum can, real big fat boy. And what we're going to do is we're going to responsibly pour this guy out and use the can portion of this to make a temporary patch, seal it up with the tiger patch, and hold it tight with the ring clamps. So let's go ahead and responsibly pour this out. Now we are going to responsibly pour this out onto the ground into a responsible place. Now once you've responsibly emptied your can, what you can do is I would recommend being very careful using a sharp knife and taking the top off the can. Then going down one side, or pick somewhere, cut down the middle, and then peel or cut the bottom off, leaving you a nice rectangular piece that already wants to curl. Remember to dispose of your sharp bits responsibly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put these two pieces back together, the right side inside of the left, and wrap our aluminum around the outside. Alright, now make sure you get the ones that are the right size. Now I've noticed that the 4 to 5s are too big. These are just right. Also, make sure to orient these before you put them on in the proper way. That way it's easiest to do them, depending on like right-handed, left-handed, and what you have for room to put these on. So let me go ahead, get the aluminum on, and get this on, and I'll show you from there. The first step, or at least the step that I do first, is I go ahead and get it wrapped and put one on in the middle, so then I can tape the two sides, get bands on the two sides, and then tighten bands around those two sides. And there you have it, guys. Your aluminum wrapped around the break there, or the disconnect. Your tape underneath the hose clamps, and your hose clamps oriented in a way that you can get to the little turn screw there in an easy fashion. And there it is. And don't be afraid to use a little, use a liberal amount, because you're definitely going to have extra at the end. You don't have to be too conservative on that. There's a little bit of overlap just to make sure it does its job. Clean the surface, follow the directions of the tape. You don't have to cut them too short. Make sure you orient the hose clamps in a certain way, and there you have it. It's all done. So thank you for stopping by. You all have a great day. This was KrepsyK, and I'm getting out of here.